Hey, Darlene here. It's been a while. Listen, I just wanted to check in and see how you guys were doing from these storms we've been having. I'm telling you what, it's been rough stuff around here. Power outages. I mean, I don't know. And let me tell you, we haven't had a full week of school, but 1 week since school started. I mean, the eclipse, Labor Day, hurricane. How many hurricanes can come our way? I mean, Irma just totally had us skipping school for 2 days. I'm telling you, that second day, the sun was shining as bright as the summer day, and we still didn't go to school. People are without power. I don't get it. I mean, I got family in Florida that had power the next day. And there's people here in South Carolina still without it. It doesn't make sense. Anyway, I'm telling you what, it is rough getting a couple days off and trying to pull that mess back together. I mean, that dreariness we had over us. I mean, I didn't want to leave the house for 2 days. Like I done gotten sick or something. My son was like, "What are we doing today?" I'm like, "What do you mean, what are we doing? We're not leaving the house, son. There's hurricane winds out there, tropical storm. We're not going anywhere, no." Anyway, so I am glad the week's coming to an end. Telling you what, I'm feeling tore up about it. So I hope y'all are doing good.